In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear shock on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located behind the rear wheel. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove all 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm, remove the nut for the shock. Ours is starting to spin, so we're going to use a pair of locking pliers. Grab onto the shock. Remove the nut. Remove the locking pliers. Pull the shock down out of the mount. Using a 17mm wrench to hold the head of the bolt, we'll use a 17mm socket to remove the nut. Remove the nut. Remove the washer. Our bolt is nice and stuck in the bushing. We're going to put our nut back on until it's flush with the end of the bolt. Using a hammer, tap the bolt out. Remove the bolt. To wiggle the shock back and forth, I pulled it down and out of the top of the shock mount bushing. Remove the shock. Get the shock started by cycling it 3 to 5 times. Push it all the way down, let it fully come back up. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Remove the cap off the top. Before reinstalling the bolt, it's a good idea to clean up your hardware. You can use a wire wheel. I cleaned up our hardware and put a bit of copper never seize on it. I'm going to install the shock into the bottom mount. Install the bolt, install the washer, install the nut, install the washer, install the bottom bushing. Be sure that the old bushings are removed from the top mount. Install the bushing into the shock mount. Install the top bushing. Install the washer. Install the nut. Using two 16mm, a socket, and a wrench, we're going to hold the strut while we torque the top nut down to 15 foot-pounds. Snug the nut down. Torque the nut and bolt to 43 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the wheels to 85 foot-pounds. Go in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.